Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing about Active Currency Converter user form. This converter will grab the data of currency for particular date mentioned by the user from internet and will show us the conversion. You can also plot last 30 days currency conversion. So this is the user form that I have designed, and for designing this user form you need to follow two steps. First we need to design the user interface and then we need to code for this user interface. Now let me take you to Visual Basic. So this is the user form that I have designed. The controls that I have used here are, these are all the labels, then two combo box, three text box and three command buttons. Now I have made the change in the name and caption for this control. For user form I have made the change in caption as currency converter. For the combo box 1 I have made the change in name as from combo box. For combo box 2, I have made the change in name as to combo box. For amount text box, I have made the change in name as amount text box. For convert command button, I have made the change in name as convert command button and caption as convert. For converted amount, I have made the change in name as converted text box. For date text box, I have made the change in name as date text box. For plot last 30 days command button, I have made the change in name as plot command button and caption has plot last 30 days. And for quick, I have made change in name as quick command button and caption has quick. Now I will explain you regarding the sheets that I have created. I have created 4 sheets. In sheet 1, I am importing the currency data for the particular date from the website. The website that I am using here I have described in description box below. There are 167 currencies. In the sheet 2, I am pasting the currency conversion for last 30 days. In the currency sheet, I am displaying the name and the short form for the currency that the user can use for the conversion. And in the last 30 days, I am showing the graph for the last 30 days currency conversion. Now I will explain you regarding the coding part. So first we need to initialize the user form. For initializing the user form, let us double click on user form. And then in the user form we have to select initialize. So when the user form is launched, the code inside user form initialize subroutine will run. First I am clearing the from combo box. Then I am activating the currency worksheet. In the currency worksheet, I am combining the text that is there in column A and column B. So what I am doing is I am combining USD and US dollar and making it as USD US dollar. Now I am giving this combined text to from combo box and to combo box. Then by default I am selecting USD in from combo box and Euro in to combo box, and then I am giving by default amount as 1, and in the date text box I am giving today's date as by default. So by default what it means is for today's date what is the conversion for $1 to euro. Now initialization of user form is complete. Now we will go for convert command button. Main objective of this button is to first grab the data from website for particular date that user enters, then check what currency user wish to convert, and then look up in the imported data for those two currencies and then calculate the converted amount and display in converted amount text box. Now let us double click on convert. So it will take us to subroutine for convert command button. First I am making screen updating as false, then I am giving the date that user is entering to temp, then I am finding the day, month and year for the date that user is entering. Then I am formatting the month and date as per the format that is required by the website. Then I am giving that date to the website, and then I am grabbing the currency conversion for the particular date that user is entering from the website and pasting it in sheet 1. Then I am giving the from combo box value to from currency and to combo box value to currency. Then I am giving the short form for the currency to from combo box and to combo box. Now this for loop is used for finding the conversion value. So from value and to value. And this code is used for the conversion. And then the converted amount is pasted in converted text box, and I'm making the background color of converted text box to yellow, and then I'm activating the sheet 3, which is the currency sheet, and then I'm making screen updating as true and answer. So we have coded for convert button. Now let us code for plot last 30 days command button. Objective of this command button is to get the converted value for last 30 days for the particular date that user is entering, and then plot those values. So let me double click on plot last 30 days, and it will take us to subroutine for plot command button. First I am making screen updating as false, then I am making sheet 2 as visible, and then I am selecting sheet 2. Then I am giving the date that user is entering to temp. Now this for loop is used to grab the data for currency conversion for last 30 days and paste it in sheet 2. So I am using the same website to grab the data for currency conversion for last 30 days. I am also displaying the progress of the for loop in the status bar, and then I am making the sheet 2 visibility as false. Then I am activating sheet 4. So sheet 4 is for the plot for last 30 days, and it will show us the plot for the last 30 days currency conversion data that we have imported from the website and answer. Now in the currency converter sheet, I have entered a command button from the ActiveX control. So in the insert in ActiveX control, I have inserted this command button, and what I have written here is user form.show. So when I press this command button, it will show us the user form that we have created. So let me click on the currency converter command button and show you how the converter is working. So let me select from currency as INR and to currency as USD, and let me give amount as 100 rupees and convert. So it is grabbing the data from internet, and the converted amount is $1.39. So 100 rupees is equivalent to $1.39 for the particular date. The date I have entered is today's date. Let me change the date. So let me write 2019 and convert. So for 2nd August 2019, the conversion for 100 rupees is 1.4 US dollars. Now let me plot the currency conversion for last 30 days. So the first day is 2nd August 2019, and it will plot for last 30 days with respect to this date. And let me click on plot last 30 days. So it is grabbing the data from the website and it is pasting in sheet 2. Here it is showing us the progress of the for loop. And this is the block for the currency conversion for last 30 days. So we have successfully designed currency converter. Thank you.